is up, SV squad? So I guess from the background you can guess where we are now. We didn't vlog the whole process coming back to Canberra because we were so tired. It was just such a big rush. I came with my uncle and his parent-in-laws, and yeah, we had lots of bags and stuff, and it was freezing. We were not prepared. We got home at around 2:30 last night, and it's about 12 now. We're just gotten up and gotten ready. Unpacked our suitcases already this morning. Just telling you our morning routine. I unpacked our suitcase, put a load of washing on, and separated some gifts. And because we've been away from our nephews for so long, we've missed them so much. So we're on our way to see if we can pick them up. And starting our cars for the first time in a long time. What's that sound? What is up, SV squad? Up in this gang.
What's up?
So we've been back in Australia for about a week now, and my body still hasn't climatized. I'm now sick because I was so used to the tropical island of Samoa, always hot, and now your girl is sick with the flu. Can you hear that?
What's up? What's up? It's your boy Georgie, looking black from Samoa. Yeah, but not get about that. This is our real island body, guys.
No, that's your real color.
Yeah, because I'm a real Samoan boy.
And I'm a real Samoan girl, okay? Don't say I'm not a real Samoan girl. I'm a real Samoan girl. Don't come for me, girl. Because I'm going to get you all the way together, my boo-boo. Alright? And for those of you saying, like, oh, you're so nice to a shake. Listen, boo. Listen, boo.
Listen to P.
Aussie said, listen, boo, at her, okay? Oh my god, my ears are blocking. I'm gonna be back, B.
Came here for Tarnell's came.
Look at this foolery. Oh my god. Guys, exercise. Ah! Exercise. I'm on the seesaw. Siaosi, you are so heavy.
Doing some exercise.
These dusts are getting into my eyes. I just love you so much. I gotta fly your head off. Where's my dad, Mom? Come tell us how you got bumped off. So we are here in Bruley, near Bateman's Bay. We're gonna go have a family lunch together at Bateman's Bay. Dad loved it, the drive. Yeah.
In the car with him.
Well, yeah, I heard you say it. I'm having fun! He's gonna fall back. Yeah. Oh my god, look at that big baby. Jump, Aussie. Jump. Ôi biết cái bạn đấy à?
Nhưng mà sẽ đâu có over the wheels. Yeah, hurry up, kid. This little baby, he likes play playground.
Hi guys, what's up? It's B Squad.
Why do you say it like a robot? What's up, SV Squad? Say, what's up, SV Squad?
What's up, SV Squad?
What's going on?
What's going on?
How you doing today?
How are you today?
My name's Messiah.
Name's Messiah.
And I'm Mulikaya.
Mulikaya.
Are you a Mulikaya?
You're Mulikaya. Why?
I'm gonna call the police on you. Why? Huh?
Take the seat. Take the seat.
I'm just joking. No, I want to hug. I want to hug.
Anti-hug, anti-hug, anti-hug.
I want to take a photo of all the boys.
We're all going to Bateman's Bay. We've got my bro's car there, my sister Molly's car, our car, and Chris's car at the front over there. Gonna go have lunch at Bateman's Bay.
Come with you guys.
Oh yeah, let him come.
Hey guys, just finished my game. we won by, I'm pretty sure 24? 20 at a time, I'm pretty sure 20 or 24. Yeah, and but we got tired in the second half because look at that sunshine. Just look at the sunshine. So hot up here. We're going to go something to eat and see you there. Bye.
What a beauty this is. What a beauty.
Not a beauty.
Shut up for a beauty.
We'll be here in Bateman's Bay.
Your boy
Yeah,
Georgie.
close to Sydney, if you know that. So we came here for Timehouse game.
There's stingrays in here, guys. What's this place called?
Seafood complex.
It's not Seafood Gourmet. Oh my god, it's spreading its wings. These things are huge. They look fake. Look at its eyes. It looks fake, eh, Chris? Oh my god, can you see it, guys? Right there, that dark shadow. It's a massive stingray. And what is it gonna do? Ficky your ass? Oh my god. I wonder what it eats. How beautiful this is. Just finished having lunch. We didn't vlog it. You're at the shed, I think it's called. That was such a beautiful lunch. Fish was so tender. Not that I ate any because I don't eat fish, but I was watching Aussie eat his fish. It was like falling and melting in his mouth. Is it? Show me Filippo. What does he do? Kala ave ay. Messiah, careful! Ave ay. Ave ay. Hello, me ay sa mo ay ayom. What's it malangaw? No, I dropped it.
Tao bảo không mua rồi, cái con ăn lem phố đi ngang khu linh mình. Gặp béo phải mấy cái mà nó giáo béo phim pháp chứ. Phải mấy cái mà kéo sao ấy. Vào yên trắng.
Yeah. Siaosi is a stinky ass and he doesn't wipe his ass. You got your turn.
You Victoria make me higher. I'm the best and you not higher.
You can't just go back.
Oh. So we're driving on the road from Bateman's Bay. We went to watch Daddy someday.
Don't you?
Right?
We're driving on the road in Bateman's Bay. Driving from Sydney or from
Right?
South. Driving on the road from Bateman's Bay. We're going to the cave. Let's do the day all day and eat some fish and chips all day. Oh.
Yo. Check it. Siaosi is a big head. He's a ulu, and he is a stinky ass and his breath.
Victoria, you were so glorious. Because I'm this, you are not best. I'm
Right.
best, you are not bad. Yeah, today it's Sunday, but we're making a pie. It's it's 8 o'clock. We break the MacBook laptop. We broke it. Look, it's not working. This is two cracking on the screen. Look, guys.
I just finished crying, guys. I've been crying since it happened last night. Every time I think about it, I start crying. As you can probably tell, my eyes are a little bit swollen. If you can't, then whatever. But we're making pie. I'm making pie, I should say. Making the pastry at the moment. And then you got to mix it together with your hands. We do want to admit that we haven't been vlogging much since we got back. Because, yeah. I don't know why because, but Aussie's going to tell you why because.
So boy, yeah, we're not vlogging so much because we are so busy. The reason why we're not vlogging so much because, guys, I'm gonna tell you. Look my hair, guys. But I'm gonna tell you guys why we're not vlogging so much. Because we're putting more vlog inside our laptop from Samoa. We need to uploading every time, guys. We need to upload all that videos before we put more videos in Aussie. So comment down below and give us, if you need us to do more challenge, you can, if you have an idea, guys, of any videos, yeah, challenge, yeah, I'm gonna do level up challenge for you guys, because everyone's comment down below and say, can you do a level up challenge? So no. So yeah, my answer is yes, I'm gonna do it for you guys because I love you guys so much. Hope you guys enjoy our vlog in Aussie, and comment down below, keep comment.
Look, you have to get your hands all dirty.
Oh, dirty.
What? Look at my hair.
That's good.
No.
That's real island girl. Messy anyway.
Okay guys, so once that's done, all patted in. Yeah, it's a bit dodgy, but don't worry, it tastes delicious. This one is just ready, just cooked. There's still some depth to it. I think I went too thick on these sides, but doesn't matter. It looks white, but it's actually orange, orangey yellow. You need to make sure that you stir it every minute or so, just so that it doesn't stick, because that's how you burn it. Custard's cooked now. I'm just stirring it while it's off the stove, just so I don't burn the bottom. But look at that goodness. I'm just gonna let it cool down, and then I'll put the cream on it. And then it's up to you. You can put peach slices on it, or you can put crushed peanuts. That is the final result.